Group 6, Presence, Ecological Succession.
Heraclitus once said that the only constant in life is change. And this applies in everything, especially in our environment. Given, some habitats may remain relatively unchanged for hundreds or even thousands of years. However, there are others that undergo dramatic changes every few years. The causes of these changes can be natural occurrences or by human activities. In either case, if the change is severe enough to strip away the existing vegetation or expose a new landscape, species will colonize the disturbed area and then likely be replaced by other species. Over ecological time, the area may experience several transitions in species composition. This process by which the species structure of an ecological community changes over time is called ecological succession.
Succession is simply a series of events by which life comes back. In March 2013, fire workers conducted a controlled burn to clear underbrush, restore soils, and kickstart regrowth at Georgia's Moody Forest Preserve. So what we saw here is basically life and changes taking place. And that is called ecological succession. It tends to occur at a predictable rate. And using a number of predictable species in a given geographic area. We can break succession in two different parts: the primary and secondary succession. Primary succession is defined as the gradual establishment of biotic communities in lifeless areas where there is no soil in terrestrial ecosystem or no bottom sediment in an aquatic system. The only species that could survive in this barren land are what are called pioneer species. These species are low maintenance, requiring minimum resources to survive. An example of a pioneer species would be lichen or moss. These organisms can begin to break down rock to slowly produce land that can be habitable to other types of species. Primary succession takes hundreds or thousands of years to reach a climax community. A climax community is one that has the most biodiversity that can sustain the area. While secondary succession occurs in ecosystems that have been disrupted by humans, animals, or by nature. When the disturbance occurs, it drives out many plants and animals, but does not render the habitat lifeless. The remaining soil may still have nutrients and seeds that will grow again with time. The fun thing to remember is that primary succession has no soil, while secondary succession has soil.